Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, central Monroe County in southwest, northwestern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, central St. Louis County, St. Louis City in east central Missouri, until 10 p.m. At 9:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Olivet, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Maryland Heights, Bowen, Manchester, Hazelwood, Creve Coeur, Overland, University City, Kirkwood, Ferguson, Clayton, Webster Groves, St. Louis, Granite City, East St. Louis, Collinsville, Belleville, and Fairview Heights. This includes the following state parks: Frank Holton State Park, Horseshoe Lake State Park, and Scott Joplin Historic Site. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Illinois near Exit 9. Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 276 and 277. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern